Here are the top 10 best stocks to invest in right now, according to Globe and Mail. Coming in at number 10, we have Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD. The TSA 1 year for this is 159.75, which is a 38% upside. Other analysts are saying 129.41, which is an 11% increase over today. We put the risk as medium, we put the reward as high. AMD for us right now is going to be a strong buy. The PE is 85, but it does have the EPS growth to support that, hence the medium risk, high reward rating. 9 is Amazon, AMZN. The TSA 1 year for the stock is 235.2, which is an 11% increase over today. Other analysts are saying it's going to increase 14% to 241.64. We put Amazon as a low risk, medium reward investment, and we've rated it a strong buy because we think the fundamentals are really, really good. The price to book and PE are historically low, and so is the growth estimates, just given it's a bigger company now and it's priced in a lot of that growth already. Coming into number 8, we have Intercontinental Exchange Inc., or ICE, ICE. The TSA 1 year for ICE is 227.23, which is a 27% increase. Other analysts are saying 193.27, which is an 8% upside. The risk is medium, the reward is medium. We put ICE as a hold. One thing to note is they do have a price to free cash flow of around 27, and hence that's the hold. TG Therapeutics is number 7, TGTX. Our 1 year projection is 46.55, which is a 29% increase over today. Other analysts are saying 41.60, or a 16% increase over today. The risk is high, the reward is medium. We put TGTX as a hold for now. Moving on to number 6 is PayPal, PYPL. The TSA 1 year is 79.93, which is an 18% increase. Other analysts are saying 171.65, which is a 13% upside. We put the risk as medium, the reward as medium. We put PayPal for a buy because we think it's a great contrarian play, and their user base is still growing by 2% year over year, even though they are having some EPS growth struggles right now. Coming into number 5, we have Brown & Brown BRO stock. TSA 1 year is 117.6, which is a 10% upside from today. Other analysts are saying 11% at 118.67. The risk is more of a medium. The reward's kind of low, so we put this one as a sell, actually. The EPS growth is starting to show signs of weakness, which is not great with a high PE. That does not mix very well. Moving on to number 4, we have Broadcom, AVGO. The TSA 1 year for Broadcom is 320, which is a 29% increase. Other analysts are fairly bullish as well at 289, which is a 16% increase. The risk is medium, the reward's medium. We think it's a very fairly valued stock, so we put it as a buy because it has great fundamentals. The earnings are strong. There is a high PE given the market cap, but it does have that growth to support it, so that's why we like it and put it a buy. Number 3 is Tesla, TSLA. The TSA 1 year for Tesla is 209, which is a 36% decline over today. The analyst 1 year is 286.14, which is a 12% decline over today. The risk is high because it's highly volatile. The reward is fairly low or even negative, so we had to put Tesla as a sell. Again, just super highly volatile. We like stability and solid growth, and that's just not Tesla right now. And at number 2, we have HEICO, HEI. TSA 1 year is 267.33, which is a 12% decline. Other analysts are saying a 1% decline at 303.20. The risk for this stock is medium. The reward's pretty low, so we put it as a hold just because that EPS growth is still looking good and the valuation is fair. We think this might turn around, but we aren't super optimistic about it relative to other stocks. And of course, number 1 is going to be NVIDIA. Everybody's talking about NVDA. The TSA 1 year for NVIDIA is actually 175.23, and we've recently adjusted that up quite a bit. Other analysts are saying NVIDIA is going to be up 21% this time next year to 172.36. The risk is medium, just given the size of the company now and the PE relative to that size. It still has solid growth, so the reward's going to be a medium as well. We think this is a very fairly valued stock, and it presents a buy for us. Again, high PE for the market cap of the company, but the EPS growth is still holding, and as long as it does, we will continue to like it. So that's all we have for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want to see Motley Fool's top 2 bargain stocks that are ready for a bull run, go check out this video right here.